Once the hatch open, we're going to have Jessica coming out. First, she gets the strut bag, which is an 8-foot long bag, and then she gets the cable bag. Then Chris comes out. After they're both outside, Jessica will be the first one that will start translation to the P4 area where the mod kit is located. So you'll see it here on the animation. She starts moving through the truss all the way. There goes Jessica all the way down to the mod kit. At the same time, Chris is going to do a quick stop, get a WIFX, which is an equipment that will give him more distance once he gets into the foot restraint, so he can reach to the mod kit itself. And so here goes Chris. Okay, great. Once they get there, they're going to cinch down the bags, and then they begin the installation. So they start with the mid-strut, and then Jessica gets the other side, the left mid-strut and the lower strut, hands it to Chris, who's already on the foot restraint. Then Jessica goes around, and Chris will then be turned so that he can be facing on the other side of the canister, where he will start now working with Jessica to put the mid-struts themselves. Okay, so here's where they bolt the second mid-strut. Okay, and after that, the whole assembly of the mod kit is now completed with the cables that will be required for later on. And as I was mentioning, after that's completed, Jessica is going to go down on one side of the area where they were, put the DDCU jumpers, while Chris is moving now to the race ring, as I mentioned before, to take a snapshot of the current state. So here he goes. He takes a few pictures for us to understand the state. Okay, and here you see Jessica putting the cable back inside, and then back inside the airlock for the end of our EVA. And that will conclude EVA 94.